Here we have a plate. It is white. It must be painted yellow. Painted yellow it must. Hi guys! So I'm really excited for today's video because we are traveling to Italy this week with my kids because we're talking about around the world this month. And today I am making this really fun pizza craft with them. This is so fun with kids is that you can literally cut out the ingredients of any materials you have hanging around and put it in front of them, and just like a real pizza, they can choose what they want and put it on. And if you're making this with more than one kid, like I usually do, you can put the slices together at the end to create one big pizza. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, for this craft you'll be needing a paper plate with some yellow paint, some school glue, and the rest is kind of up to you. Here I have some red felt and scissors to cut out some tomatoes. I have some green pipe cleaners for my bell peppers and some shredded yellow paper for my cheese, along with some glitter glue just to add a little bit of sauce. But you can be super creative and use construction paper, craft foam, whatever you have for mushrooms and other ingredients as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscription button down below where you will be notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on Instagram as well, where I post crafts that I have done already and some that I will be doing in future videos. And as always, if you recreated this video, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. Bye for now.